All right, Remy here again with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning. Get back to you, that video cut off because my phone rang and then cut off the video itself. So we talked about the headlight restoration, talked a little bit about how that's the oxidation that happens on the outside, how we can buff them, restore them, how if they get a chip in them, they probably can't be repaired. So I wouldn't suggest buffing them or trying to do a restoration on them by a new headlight assembly. These are the things your customers want to know, so that way you're not trying to buff it out and then that didn't help, or you didn't try to restore it, that didn't help because there's drips coming down the inside. So I will put some information at the bottom of this video so you can have a link to our website where you could pick up the headlight restoration kits. We can ship those anywhere, just small shipping fee. The more you can pack in together, the less expensive that will be per unit. And we can get those out fairly quick depending on where they are, so you can take a look at what we're doing, what we have going on. Go to rcautocity.com to get more information. You can go online. Once you get there, you can send us messages, text through. Show me some photos of what you've done. I get excited about seeing detail. Been in detailing for this company, well, started this company 16 years ago. So I get excited about the projects you have. I'm on Detailers of Instagram, so if you guys are connected to that group, that'd be a great one to jump into. We're going to offer more training information, and part of it will be for if you're brand new to this, if you haven't done this as an add-on service, how we can make that turned into a monetized situation for you. And you can also use our videos for your own customers. Maybe you end up selling it out to them, or you just want to do it all your own. Depends on whether you have your sales tax license in your area. So there's a lot of things we can talk about. You can get a hold of me for more information, look for more trainings from us. We're going to do some live seminars. We're going to do some Facebook Live stuff. We'll do some Zoom meetings. That way, if you're looking to get more information on detailing products, detailing processes, how it works, maybe it's getting a copy of this sheet we're going to have set up within our resources side, so you can purchase this sheet. You'll be able to edit it, to put your own logo on it, but you'll see how we use this as our sales tool. So it's our sales tool because we're walking through, we're checking headlights need to be restored, how the wiper blades work. You want to make sure you have that connection. We have wholesale accounts with AutoZone, Napa, O'Reilly, most of the auto parts store. We've set up a deal with all of the dealers in town, because sometimes the car dealer's the only place you're going to get it if it's a newer vehicle, if you need that part to replace, and they don't have it. We do a lot of add-ons, which are going to be those side view mirrors, things along that line. And then just having your subs in place. So you need a good list of subs that specialize in what they do. And we have a list, and we'll go more in depth into the business end of owning a detailing business later on. And you'll find out a bit more about what you need with partners and how that's going to look, and then how you can grow and make this sustainable. So again, Romy with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning. Follow our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page, our Instagram. I am constantly putting up new content almost daily on all of these platforms. So keep an eye out on it. You will learn a lot of different things, a lot of the tips and tricks. We'll go into an entire networking section on how to build and grow your business. Stay in touch. Romy with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning.